Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. I have like three big Tesla news for you today. Just read it on Business Insider. The first one is that very interestingly and quietly, the Tesla Model 3 base, the 35,000, was taken out from the Tesla website. Nowhere to be found. Very, very quietly and without any announcement was out. Does that mean that the base model, the one that been talked about it for months and years, really in the big announcement, is not going to be produced or delivered? That would be horrible. Interestingly enough, there's something called regulatory filing report, which I actually read on Business Insider. I read it today, and there is a mention there that it's going to be part of Tesla's future. So why is it out of the website? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm speculating. Elon Musk said that last year that it was going to be out at the end of 2018, the base model. He also now said mid-19, which is still yet to be seen. But it also said in one of the last interviews how difficult it is to make it economically for the 35,000 base model, 220 miles. Look, Tesla is notorious for not meeting deadlines, but Tesla never said that they're going to do something and didn't do. Okay, so that will be bad if they're not going. Most of the reservations of the Tesla Model 3 was the base model. So we'll see what happens. As of now, the cheapest Tesla that you get is the mid-range for $42,900. They actually went down by over $2,000 in the last few weeks. Actually over $3,000. Sorry, $3,200. Yes, or $3,100. I don't remember, but something like that. So basically, Tesla said that the true cost of the mid-range is $32,850. That's calculating the federal tax incentive, which is $3,750, plus gas savings and all that, depending which state. Well, it becomes complicated. The only thing you can say, if you buy it now, you get the federal tax if you qualify. Not everybody qualifies, but so that's that. The second, I think it's horrible if it's not going to come out. The second news is the Powerwall, which now Tesla said it's going to be on big delay back order because there's, and I quote, there's a starvation of cells, meaning batteries, for the Tesla cars. Tesla is producing so many cars. There's a report I saw a couple of weeks ago that they're up to 8,000 Model 3s a week. That's a lot of batteries needed. So just for you to know, average house of 2,200 square feet requires about 2 batteries, which will cost you $14,500 before installation. So they said you can still put the $500 deposit and be on some kind of a wait list, but looks like the Powerwall is getting a backseat. And last but not least, a small fire erupted yesterday at the Fremont factory in a 10 feet by 10 feet hazard waste closet, I don't know, shed or whatever, attached to the Fremont factory. The fire was contained immediately. There was no injuries, no fatalities, injuries, and there was no damage to the factory beside that small area. And no production of Teslas was interrupted. Now, interestingly enough, this is where I got annoyed. Business Insider did not miss the opportunity to mention of the Tesla car fires that happened in the last 3 years, as if Tesla cars go on fire all the time. More gasoline fires, thousands of gasoline fires happen every year. I think it's 30,000 a year. And you know, it's not that it's good, but it's just a fact of life. So that's the news. Interestingly enough, base model out of the website, Powerwall in back order, and a little fire in the Tesla factory. So I just wanted to give you the update. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And support this channel. Become a patron. And see you tomorrow, guys.